Jörg, it's a pleasure to be here
Sanjay.
at your headquarters, Lanxess headquarters here in Cologne. Thank you very much for having me. I thought it might be really good to hear your views a bit around, Lanxess is breaking new grounds in terms of new business models, new engagement models for your customers, the expertise, etc. And obviously data is really critical for all of this. Could you share some examples or some use cases where you've been able to leverage data and being able to, drive this change for your organization?
Well, Sanjay, first of all, thank you very much for coming in. Data is like what we look at differently now in the second year of our digital transformation, because data is the basis for everything we would like to accomplish. We are looking at data, massive data in our production areas. We're looking at massive data in supply chain, marketing and sales, and then in everything around us. So what we have been doing is looking at the data now in a different way. We are loading up data and connect the dots and do data analytics, and we use tools like TrendMiner in our production areas, where we bring to our chemists and engineers now a new tool to have this golden batch idea, to get recommendations how to run these plants in a more efficient way.
Yeah, no, it's really good to hear. And I often say at Software AG, we say data in silos really is not value. So it's really about bringing and moving this data around, and of course giving access to the business to be really able to use that data. So through your experience, what kind of advice do you have for other executives in terms of how to leverage technology to be able to make themselves a digital enterprise?
It's advice is have courage. I mean, this is new. We are very proud of what we have achieved. Chemistry was invented in our company, in this country. We have a lot of chemistry knowledge, a lot of engineering knowledge, a lot of business knowledge, and now we must open up to new technologies. Even if we have not invented the technology, even if we have not yet used it, it's fascinating to see when we combine the domain knowledge with digital technology, what the results are. Never forget the people, so you cannot push it through. You have to be patient sometimes, but at the same time you also have to attract people to look at these new tools. TrendMiner is the perfect example, because production people are usually pretty reluctant to look at new things. Safety is our biggest goal. We're very proud of what we have been doing there, but the second they see that as a benefit, and also the ease of use, which is perfect at TrendMiner, that you have a high acceptance, because the second they see what's in there, they use it, they promote it, and they actually give us hints which you might also interested in, because we say, well, this is cool. If this was possible, then this would even be cooler, and it could help us both to develop products like TrendMiner further.
Yeah, no, it's really good to hear. Now, of course, sustainability is a really important factor in the chemical industry. And so how are you leveraging data to be able to help you with that mission and that objective?
We just announced that we have a new company goal, which is to be climate neutral by 2040, to cut the emissions by 50% in 2030. And this is a very, very tough goal to reach. And I strongly believe that we should use digital technology to go for that goal, to reduce emissions, to have less energy consumption, and so on. We are already in the process of using artificial intelligence in our product development for plastics. And as an idea of perhaps putting into the DNA of new products recyclability, biodegradability, so that the focus shifts again towards this. It's not that we have not done a lot, but we see way more potential now again in everything which is called sustainability with digital technologies.
Absolutely. Oh, it's really great to hear your bold ambitions there. And well, look, you're in your transformation journey, and obviously we are very proud to be your partner to support you. So what's next? What is energizing and exciting your teams, and what should the customers be looking forward to from Lanxess? What's to come?
use what we have started to implement. TrendMiner is in 70% of our plants. We are trying to achieve 100% sometime soon. We would like to attract more people in the plants to use it on a daily basis, connect the dots with other technologies we brought in. We're looking at even higher level of customer centricity, to use not only these tools to be better in production, be better in doing the business, but to be even more reliable in our responsibility for the customers. Same time, we look at new business models. There's a lot of ideas. We founded a startup company which is already running the largest digital platform for the chemical industry in the Western world. Very exciting for us. We have never done such a thing, but it's fun to see the success. It's fun to see that 16,000 people at Lanxess are moving in that direction, and we got a lot of feedback from our people. So it's, I think we're just at the early beginning, but the future is bright.
Sounds like exciting times. So first of all, thank you very much for your trust, Jörg, and I look forward to continuing our partnership. All the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.